What's up, guys? It's June 2nd, 2000. It's July 2nd, 2024. Had a bull trend. Great for the Bulls. I definitely was not expecting it. Um, yeah, was not expecting that, but that just shows how strong this breakout was. That they're defending to keep this breakout, this bar's low. They're defending this breakout point right here. The EMA might be pulling into the Bulls if they when the market pulls into the EMA, the mean reversion is stronger, but the EMA is pulling into the market, so the bulls are really strong. If that makes sense. The magnet is the market, not the EMA. That's pretty cool. So gap down. Actually, this is a play in Al Brooks reading price charts bar by bar. I think it's coming out on this Saturday or next week. But it's a gap down with a big bull bar, and it's a huge volume reversal. He talks about how sometimes these days can lead to trend days. Gap down, bar one, big bull bar, bad for the bears. There's after a huge sell, bears don't want to see a big bull bar. At this point, the bears want to range and start selling off into yesterday's low. Bulls want to go higher. I think there are more buyers at lows at the 72 low. Bar two, bulls go for a breakout with bar two and three. Then we go sideways for some time. There's a lot of buyers and bears are probably getting trapped. Bulls are getting trapped. A lot of sideways price action here. I got chopped up. I bought here, sold here, then I stopped, and then I sold this, and then I got cut up. So I stopped trading the Top Step account. I have an Apex account. I took the breakout for Apex and ended up passing one, but Apex is my priority. I'm focused on Top Step because I want to get paid out every couple of days. I'm just gonna have that like a piggy bank whenever the payout comes, it comes because I think Top Step's platform's a little bit better, but Apex is having good sales, so you can't let that up. So we got a bull flag forming on the EMA. Both EMAs are lining up. That's pretty bad. That's when the EMAs are lining up, it's best to just wait for a breakout like today. We had the breakout. We had a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. I think there are more sellers here. Wedge top. Market goes for a deep pullback, testing the channel low here. Bears trying to get a breakout of the channel, but it reverses. It becomes a failed breakout and it reverses on support. Give me 2 seconds. So yeah, failed breakout by the Bears on the higher time frame EMA, and they reclaim the 5-minute EMA, and then we get a bull trend for the rest of the day. It's pretty much buy the close. Bar 48 starts. So there's a breakout here. So let me rewind. Bull bar, bull channel. Bears go for a breakout and fail. Bull starts to reclaim the EMA. They go for a breakout above the high of the day or the recent swing high, and they get that with 44. The market goes sideways here, creating a bull flag. With bar 48, that shows two-sided selling. We can see bears stepping up while bulls are taking profits right here. When bar 48 happens, that's the first opposite bar after a spike, so this starts the channel phase. So that being said, you don't want to get short here until you see clear bear gaps are staying open. There's more bull gaps open right here. I don't know if there is, but well, there's different types of bull gaps. So here's a bull gap. But in terms of what we were talking about, there's a lot of 3-bar gaps here. There's one here. And gaps are, when we see open gaps, we gotta be thinking trend. Unless the gaps start closing, then we can wait for market structure to tell us to take a counter trend. But counter trend trades should be avoided. So it's not the strongest bull trend because look, there wasn't that many gaps. I did it pretty fast, so there could be a gap. No gap. There's a tick gap right there. Maybe a tick gap. So it was a bull trend, but it wasn't that strong. 2 gaps. Bar one was the low of the day, which is a rare occurrence. I think a lot of bears got trapped here. I know I got trapped here. I got trapped on bar 38 with my Top Step account, so that's when I called it because I took 3 losses in a row. I was like, damn. And then the day lightened up. I bought this bar for the breakout, and it happened. That was really nice to buy this bar and it went in my favor right away. If I had avoided this and did this for the Top Step, I probably would have passed one Top Step account today, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna take my time. I think it'll be good. Once I get the Top Step ball rolling, I'm gonna just try and secure a few payouts, 4 or 5 point scalps. Top Steps payout rules are $200 minimum a day. You just make $200 for 5 days, and then you're able to get a payout. So that's 4 or 5 point scalp a day for 5 days. A lot of bull flags. We have a break. Bar one is a reversal is a form of a breakout, which is testing yesterday's 50% range. And we break, bulls get the reversal. We go sideways to up here, deep pullback, and then we get a lot of bull flags. So here's leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three, wedge top, double top. That has a bullish breakout, and then bulls keep the gap open all day. Bulls are buying lows and buying highs. I think bears are all getting trapped here because looking at yesterday's price action, I was definitely more bearish than bullish. But around here is when pretty much I was bearish, I was bullish, I got bearish, and then I got bullish here, and then I saw that breakout, and I was not looking back at the bears. It took me a little bit while to catch. It took me. What did I just say? It took a while for me to catch on, but it was a good day for the bulls. Daily charts looking kind of crazy. We are in a range. We've been in a range since June 18th, so we are at the high of this range. Outside bars, trap traders, and we could be trading at the high of a range. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on Wednesday. We're off on Thursday. Tomorrow's FOMC minutes. So I don't know if I'm going to be trading FOMC minutes before. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't want to say anything. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I appreciate all the support, and you guys are clicking the videos. The views are going up. Drop some comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for your time. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.